Most organizations do not use AI as a single standalone system. Instead, AI is embedded into everyday tools and workflows that employees already use. These systems are typically designed to handle tasks that involve large volumes of data, repeated patterns, or time consuming manual effort. For example, AI may be used to analyze trends, flag unusual activities, automate routine processing, or generate summaries and insights. What is important to understand is that AI is usually introduced to support existing business processes, not to redesign them entirely. The goal is to improve speed, consistency, and efficiency, and especially in areas where manual work becomes a bottleneck. In practice, this means AI often works quietly in the background, assisting teams without requiring deep technical knowledge from employees using those tools. AI is used differently across various business functions depending upon the nature of the work. In operations, AI supports process improvement by helping forecast demand, detect anomalies, optimize schedules, and identify efficiencies. This allows teams to focus on resolving issues rather than constantly monitoring systems. In marketing, AI is widely used for personalization and customer insights. It helps analyze customer behavior, segment audiences, and suggest content or campaigns that are more relevant to specific groups. In HR or human resources, AI is often used as a support tool. For example, assisting with resume screening, workforce planning, or learning recommendations. These systems help manage scale, but human review remains essential. And in finance, AI supports forecasting, expense analysis, fraud detection, and compliance monitoring. Because financial decisions carry risk and regulatory responsibility, AI outputs are typically reviewed carefully. Finally, in customer support, AI is highly visible through chatbots and automated response systems. These tools handle common queries efficiently and escalate more complex or sensitive cases to human agents. Across all these areas, AI acts as an enabler rather than a replacement. There is an important distinction to understand how AI is being used. In many situations, AI is used to improve productivity. It reduces manual effort, speeds up routine tasks, and allows employees to focus on higher value work. In other situations, AI provides decision support. It offers recommendations, predictions, or insights based on patterns in data. However, AI doesn't take responsibility for decision. Even when AI suggests an action or highlights an option, humans remain accountable for evaluating that output and deciding what to do next. Now, this distinction is critical in the workplace. AI supports work, but responsibility, judgment, and accountability always remains with people.